Hi guys, welcome back to the video. In this very video, I'm going to be teaching you guys what you should do every single day to make easy $300 a day trading the market. Right? I'm going to give you 5 steps to go about this. Right? 5 steps to make your $300, and I'm going to give you the rules, step-by-step plan, how much you should risk and how you should go about it. Right? Now, if you are new here, you are highly welcome. Right? Sniper gang, welcome back to this very channel. Right? Now, as you already know, many of you are in my group, right? From those of you in my group, we took literally 5 trades this week, and each of those trades hit full take profits, right? We are sniper gang, right? We keep making profits every single day, and I'm about to bring this to you guys, teach this to you guys on how I go about trading every single day. And literally, this week so far, I made over $500 trading the market, and each of these 5 trades we took hit full take profit. Right, we took 5 trades this week and it hit full take profit. Right, each of those signals were sent out to my group. Right, if you're not in my group, the link will be in the description, so you can easily join the group. Right now, in this video, now I'm going to teach you what I do every single morning, what you should do once you wake up to your chart every single morning to make your easy $300 daily. So follow everything I'm going to teach you, and make sure you watch the video till the very end. And after the video, share it to your friends so your friends can as well watch and then like. Now we're not going to waste time. Let's jump right into my screen now and let's begin. Right, so let me share my screen right there. So if it's your first time here, this is what we do here. I teach you guys how to make profits. I teach you guys how to make money trading. Right, so I will advise you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now let's go to one chart. What I do every single day, and like I said, I have 5 steps here. 5 steps on how I go about trading every single day. And you know what that means? We keep winning trades back to back, right? Now, the first step, we're not going to waste time. The first step I go about with this now is first, once I wake up, I want to know the possible market projection, the possible market direction. That's the possible place the market is going to likely go. Now, if you wake up on the chart, right, let's take the trade from here. If you wake up from the chart now, I'm looking at this very chart. You personally, you're looking at this very chart. What's your possible direction for this very chart? What's your possible direction that this price is gonna go? Right? Me personally, I already know how to know the possible direction. Right? Me personally, looking at this chart now, I know that the possible direction is down, because now these are ways, or these are how I know the possible direction. Right? Me personally, I trade with market structure strategy. Now, if I look at this very market now, this market now has been in a downtrend. For some time now, it has been bearish, right? So notice the price had this high, went down, had this lower high, went down, had this lower high, went down. So literally, I'm still expecting some sort of downwards movement, right? So I'm going to likely sell off on this very market. Now, where do you think I'm going to sell off from? Right? Where do you think I'm going to sell off from? Right, since I'm a market structure trader, we trade from order block region. For those who don't know about market structure, like I told you, I'm going to teach you the strategy I use to trade the market right now. But for those of you who want to get more details about market structure, I've already done a video on market structure. So the video link will be in the description, so watch the video. Right now, to take trade now, I literally take trade from order block region. Right? Another block is where institutional traders started stepping into the market. Right, another block is at a point where institutional traders started stepping into the market. At this point, now the price rallied up to this point. Immediately got here, institutional traders, people, big bank, those bigger traders trading with millions and trillions of dollars, they started selling and the price started dumping. Any market, I don't give any specific market to trade. Any market, now do this on any chart. So literally, this point where the price started selling off now is the other block. So that's where I want to take trade from. And what trade do you think I'm going to take? My possible market direction is for it to come up to this point and continue going down. That's my possible market direction. That's the first thing I look out for once I wake up. Do same yourself with your strategy. If you want to master market structure, I have a mentorship class where I teach my students how I go about this, how to trade the market structure. Also, my free video is on YouTube, so watch the free videos right there and understand how to trade the market structure. Now, with the market structure now, I'm able to know that the possible direction of the market. Now, with any other strategy you use, let's say your trend line. Let's say you are a trend line trader. if you use your trend line and then mark out this area now, you're gonna see that the price is currently having its touch. The price is currently having its touch right here. So the possible direction now is always a downtrend. Now you now know you are now one step ahead of the market. You are now one step ahead of the market. You've already now know the possible direction of the market going down. Now, once if you are doing this, mainly I do this. All the trade I took this week, all the trade I took this very week, we took it from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. I already sent out the signals early in the morning. So I do this every morning. You can do this anytime. Just know the possible direction the market is gonna go. You can do it anytime. But me, I will advise you. This is how I do it. Once I wake up, I do wake up mainly by 6 a.m. By 6 a.m. I'm already on the chart, trying to know the possible direction. Now by 7, that's pre-market opening. Pre-London is about to open. Right? By 7, I'm already watching out for some sweeps. Now by 8 o'clock, by 7:30, 8 o'clock, I'm already taking trade. I'm already sending out signals, right, to my group. Now that's how I go about it. So I will also advise you to do this the same way I do it. By 6 o'clock, be on the charts, take a look at the possible direction, right? Then you watch out for some other confirmation, which I'm going to teach now. That's the first step. We are wasting time. Market possible direction. Then the second step I go about this is I analyze the index. Now, I analyze the index of this or the counterparty of this very currency. Now, this currency is on Euro JPY, right? This is Euro JPY. You can do this on any market, any pair. Now, if you're on Euro JPY, it means you should go over, analyze on the counterparty, which is the JPY. You go over, do analysis on JPY. If you're analyzing on, let's say, you're analyzing on gold USD, so you do your analysis on the counterparty. That's the second step, right? You do it on what pair are you gonna do it on? On USD. That's if you're on gold USD. If you're on GBP USD, you do your second analysis on GBP USD. I believe you guys got that. If you're on GBP JPY, if you do analysis, let's say on this very Euro JPY now, I'm expecting a downtrend. So I'm gonna go over to my counterparty, which is a JPY, and then look out for. I'm going to show you what you should look out for right now. Now, on my, let me copy this. On my counterparty now, I want to look out for the opposite of what I'm looking out for on that pair or on that market. Let me explain. In this market now, I'm watching out for a downtrend, right? I'm watching out that the price is going to go down. Then I'm going to go over to JPY index. Now, this is on Euro JPY, so I'm going to go over to JPY index. If it's on Euro USD, I'm going to go over to USD index. So make sure you get that straight. So if you don't have it on your watch list, just search for JPYX. This is the JPY index. It's going to show. If you don't have it, if you don't have it, if it's on dollar, just search for D. If you want to search for dollar index, so search for DSY. Dollar index is gonna show, right? If you're on any market, just search for it and it's gonna show up, right? Any currency, sorry. Now I want to do this on what is it? JPY. So JPYX. You add OX, then you go there. This is on the index right now, right? So on the index now, I'm watching out for this move. So let's see. Let me show you what I'm saying. Let me show you what I'm saying, right? Okay, now on this index now, I'm watching out for a buy, right? At this point now, you're going to see that, okay, let me zoom into the price. The projection of this market now was bullish, was bearish at this point, going down, forming lower highs, but at this point now, it broke that high. It has changed character. So the likely projection now is going to be a high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I'm now watching out for a buy. So now, this is what I'm trying to draft out. For everything you are looking out for on the other currency, like I'm looking out for a sell on this Euro JPY. If I go over to JPY, I should be looking out for a buy. Did you get it? Now, if I'm on Euro USD. If I'm looking out for a sell on Euro USD, I should look out for a buy on USD. That means the counterparty. If you don't understand it, then go over, join my class. I will settle down to explain it. Right? YouTube is not paying me. I'm just doing it to help you guys. Everything I'm doing here, I'm doing it to help you guys. YouTube is not paying me a dime. Right? For those who are gonna start saying he's doing this for YouTube video, I'm making more money than YouTubers. Right? I'm making more money than what YouTube will pay me, so I don't need YouTube videos. Right? This week I made over $500 from the market. Right? So how much will YouTube pay me every month? I'm just doing it to help you guys. Now, the possible direction I'm watching out for this now is for you to sell to this region and buy off. Right? So that's what I'm watching out for this on this market. Then what am I watching out for this one? I'm watching out for a possible buy to this point and sell off. So it's like the opposite of this and this. That's my second step. Then the third step is take trade from the order block and target the next high or low. So what did that step say? That step says I'm taking trade on this Euro JPY, not the JPY. So this one is just the index, right? So I'm taking trade on this Euro JPY. I'm taking sell from here. Take sell from the order block. That's what my step-by-step plan says. So I'm taking trade from here. My target now is always the next low, which is what my step-by-step plan says. Under my third plan, like I said, I have 5-step plans. It's saying take trade from the order block and target the next high or next low. At least 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Okay. This trade I'm taking is already 1:3. Right? So I'll take a sell like this, which my rule said. Those who are smart, right? Those who are smart, they already understand what I'm saying. I don't say you are not smart. I didn't say you are not smart. You are smart. For you to be in this market, right? For you to be trading, you are smart. Don't allow anybody deceive you. For you to ever install MT5 or Exness or Bybit for crypto or Binance, you are smart, right? Don't allow anybody deceive you. If you are not smart, tell those people who say you are not smart to try it out, to try trading. Right? They're not going to last for 1 week. They're going to quit. Now, what are my possible direction now? You know what I'm going to do? I'm waiting for a sell from this region. On Euro, that's on JPY. And on JPY, I'm waiting for a buy from this region. So, okay. Let's see what the price is going to do. The price is currently coming down to my region right there. Okay. Beautifully now coming down. Okay, it has just got to my region. So let's watch out for Euro JPY. Let's see. It's currently pulling up to my region. Okay, it has just gotten to my region. Oh, it almost started selling off, but I don't want it to sell off. Okay, now it has just got to my region where I'm gonna sell from. There are some rules and some criteria that is gonna make you take trade from this region. You don't just mark out this region, this other block, and you start taking trade. Why didn't you mark out this? Why didn't I mark out this other block and take trade from here? That I'm not taking trade from here. Why? I know you'll be asking yourself. Right? If possible, I'm going to answer the question right now. If I didn't answer the question, then you go over, join my class. I'm going to explain to you guys the reasons why you should join my class, right? And also reasons why you should not join. So now, the price has just gotten here. I'm waiting for a buy on JPY. Then today's day is Wednesday. On Wednesday 20th, take a look at that. Wednesday 20th. I'm waiting for a sell. Can you see I'm doing the opposite of what JPY is doing? So literally, if I'm able to actually catch this type of trade now, I'm always happy. This is gonna give me crazy pips. On this, I can easily say I'm buying, but I'm not taking the trade on. Remember, we don't trade JPY. The same thing, like the way I explain it. Those who are smart, you already know what I'm talking about. You already understand what I'm teaching. If you're trading Euro USD, this chart should be on USD. That means Euro should be like this. You should be looking out for sell on Euro, then looking out for a buy on USD. Did you get that? Now, I'm going to take this sell the same day on Wednesday 20th November. Wednesday 20th November. You can see the dates. Right? I'm going to take the sell. You can see rapidly hits TP. 1:3 risk to reward ratio. The third step. Then let's see what this one is going to do. It already went up. Sorry, I didn't check the risk to reward ratio. This already giving me 1:3.7. No, 1:3. I'm okay with that. So 1:3 now, this trade already hits full take profit. Beautiful, simple. That's how I trade, right? That's how it is. So now this trade, now we took it with over 150 pips take profit, and we are risking about 49, that's about 50 pips stop loss to make over 150 pips. 1:3 beautifully now hit full take profit. Right now, my fourth step, you're going to make $300 on this very trade. My fourth step to go about this now, you can go over, practice on any pair. I don't want to go over to another pair and start doing all of this, so we'll not spend so much time here. Go over, practice it, and see for yourself. If it's working, come back to this very YouTube video, drop it right in the chat box. Drop it right there if it's working. Drop it in the comment section. Right? Then my fourth rule for deal is this: on your account, risk 10% on this trade. Risk nothing more than 10% on this very trade. Why is that important? If you are risking 10%, if you are risking not on prop firm, not on bigger accounts. If you have a $10,000 trading account, if you are risking 10%, it means you are risking $1,000 on this very trade. That's like a stop loss. Where you are risking $1,000 stop loss. That is, you are risking 10% on this very trade. You are risking a $1,000 trading. You are risking a $1,000 stop loss. But if you are having a $10,000 trading account, my advice is risk 5%, which is about $500 at stop loss level. That's what I mean. So you should know how to calculate it. You should know that if this trade now is equal to 50 pips stop loss, if it's equal to 50 pips stop loss now, what lot size are you gonna use? For every single one of you watching this very video, you should know this. If you don't know what I'm explaining now, then trust me, you need someone to teach you. Now you should know that one lot size now is equal to $10 per pip times this 50 pips now. That's gonna give me $500. Meaning, if I'm taking this very trade now and I have a $10,000 trading account, right? And I want to reach just $500 on this very trade. If I reach $500, I'm gonna make $1,500 on this trade because it's a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. If I'm risking $500 at stop loss now, what lot size will I be using? With a 50 lot size, with a 50 pips stop loss, that's gonna be one lot size. If it's a 50 pips stop loss to risk $500. Did you get that? Why if it's a let's say if it's a $500 account, $500 now, you know the percentage you should be risking. Now these are the percentage that I recommend you risk. On a $10,000 trading account, risk 5% on each trade. On a $1,000 trading account, if you are not able to take risk, me personally, I do take risk. So if you are not able to take risk just 10% on each trade on a $1,000 trading account. Maximum, if you are not able to take risk, right, risk 5% on each trade. That's about $50 on each trade. Right? Meaning if you are taking this type of trade now with a 50 pip stop loss, you should be using how many lot size? 0.1. You should know that. That's 0.1 lot size. That's what you should be using if you are taking this very trade. Then, if you're having a $100 trading account and you start risking 5%, you're on your own. Me personally, I don't recommend that. All my students, you know me, I don't recommend 5%. If you're having a $100 trading account and you're risking 5%, that's about $5 to make times 3, that's $15. You are not making, to make $15, you are not making any money. $15 is okay for some people, it's okay by some people, but me personally, it's too small. Right? Me personally, I risk 10% on each trade. On my trade, if I'm having a $100 trading account, But if I'm managing a bigger account now, I'll start reducing the risk. I believe you got that. So meaning if I'm risking $10 on this very $100 account now, I'm gonna make $30 on this trade. So if I make $30 a day now, it's reasonable for me. With a $100 trading account, I just make $30. Now, how are you gonna make $300 a day trading? According to the title of the video. So to make $300 a day trading now, it means you will have to risk $100 stop loss on each trade with a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. You have to risk $100 now on each trade. If you risk $100 stop loss now, you make $300 a day. Simple and easy. But if you don't have up to, and if you're gonna risk $100 on an account now, meaning your account should be, let's say, $1,000 or $2,000 before you start risking $100 stop loss. It's important. This is why it's important. If you are risking 10% of your account, you are going to need 10 trades in order to blow your account. You need to hit 10 stop loss before you now finally blow your account. Before you lose every money in your account. The same thing with crypto. You're going to need 10 stop loss if you're risking 10% of your account on each trade. So before you hit 10 stop loss, you must have made profit. But if you are risking 20%, 30%, 50% with just 2 stop loss, your account is empty. Right? Your account is liquidated. So that's why it's important to reach this little percent. If you want to flip an account, that's different. Right? I'm not a fan of flipping accounts. If I need urgent money, that's when I flip accounts. So that's simply how I go about it. That's my risk plan. On a small account, my account now, let's say I deposited $100 on my trading account today, I'm going to reach just $10 on each trade. $10 stop loss on each trade. So meaning, if I'm taking this type of trade now, with a 50 pips stop loss, let's calculate what loss size should I use with a 50 pips stop loss. 50 pips stop loss is huge. You already know that. Now, if I'm using 0.01, that's about $0.1 per pip. That's about 50 pips. That's about $5. So I need 0.02 lot size times. That's gonna give me $0.2 times 50. That's gonna give me the $10. So I need 0.02 lot size with just one position in order to reach $10 on this very trade. If I reach $10, I'm gonna make $30 on this very trade. Simple and easy, right? Then that's how I take trade. At least 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Then risk 10% depending on your account size. Then the last one, the fifth step, is for you to join my mentorship class. Right? If you are here, you are not making profit. Be sincere with yourself. Right? Be sincere to yourself. Be sincere with yourself. And join the class. Learn. If you keep depositing, you keep blowing account. Take a look at this. I'm doing this to help you guys. Right? Trust me. You saw how much I'm making. I made it just this week. Right? You see how much? We didn't take much. We took just 5 trades. Daily. Yeah, took just 5 trades. And I make over $500 this week. So how much is your look at how much I'm charging for mentorship. For advanced traders, those already trading the market, not beginner, you're gonna need to pay 20,000 naira in Nigerian naira. I know how hard the economy is. That's why I'm doing it for 20,000 naira, which is pretty so small. And in dollars, that's about $20 for 2 months mentorship class. Then $50, about 50,000 naira for 6 months mentorship class. I teach you personally. We do 2 live classes every single week. 2 live classes. Then for lifetime mentorship, 100,000 naira, about $100 for lifetime. Then if you want me to teach you personally, me and you one-on-one, is about $100 or 100,000 naira, right? Then for beginners, these are beginners, those are interested in learning trading. For 2 months, it's about 15,000 naira. Then for 6 months, it's about 40,000 naira. That's about $15 and $30 for complete beginners who are new to trading. But for those who are already trading, you are learning about strategy, you are depositing but not withdrawing, then go for this advanced. Then if you notice all the trades, these are all the trades we've taken this week on my group. My Telegram is free, so the link is in the description, so join the Telegram. So here are the trades. Take a look at this. I said buy Euro JPY now, stop loss and take profits, then risk only profits. We only risk, as a good trader, we only risk profits. We don't risk money. We don't risk our hard-earned money. If I lose my hard-earned money, I'm gonna literally cry. I can even scatter my laptop, right? So with risk only profit, so you can see the trade started moving, then we're up 40 pips. You know how much 40 pips is? With the lowest lot size now, 40 pips is equal to how many dollars? With the lowest lot size, 40 pips now is equal to about $4, which is over 7,000 naira in Nigerian naira with the lowest lot size. And the trade has not even moved up to half of it. 1:3 risk to reward ratio. That's always my risk to reward ratio. Then with a one lot size now, that's about $400. That's what somebody is just making on this very trade. Now someone sent me a message. See what the person said. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I took this trade for your free signal, but I did not understand lot size, and I reached 25 on each. So if you don't understand lot size, join class and you are going to understand it. Now he made, take a look at this. He made $28, $24. Wow, this person is making crazy money, right? He's making crazy money, and I don't think he's even in my class, right? This is another person, right? Good evening, sir. Just last week and this week I started following you. Believe I'm improved tremendously. You made over $30 profit, so that's by the way. So I believe this video was helpful, right? If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, right? So your friends can come and watch. You know how we always do it. That sniper gang, keep making profit every single day. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. So see you in my next video.